The bulk upload feature allows organizations to add multiple new attendees at once. Rather than adding attendees manually via People and Add New, or people completing your external attendee sign-up form, you also have the option to bulk import attendees. This can be particularly relevant when you have existing participant registration data on another system or spreadsheet, and you want to add multiple new people onto the system at once. With this method, you can add up to 500 people at one time. To access the bulk uploader, we first go to Admin, and then Import Attendees. Here, we then need to click on Download to download the template file. This template will show all of our registration fields mapped out onto an Excel file. Once this is downloaded, we can then open it up, and we'll see the registration fields within each column, and we'll need to fill in the relevant fields with each attendee being in one row, making note of some of the required fields in your account that we can see marked with an asterisk. So for example, I'll fill out a few details for one attendee. There'll be specific notes around different fields at times as well, such as how to input single choice drop-down data. For example, marking one gender, we do this with an X in the relevant column, or ensuring that date fields are formatted correctly as a date. When you're happy with your data, save the file and return to Upshot. On the same page as before, we then have the option to choose our file and click on Upload. After a few seconds or maybe a few minutes, depending on the size of the data, you'll receive either a success or an error message. If you receive an error message, there will be a log attached that will detail where the mistakes in the data are. It may be that there's potentially duplicates in the data, or potential duplicate matches for people already on your account, who would then need to be removed from the template. It may also be that you've missed a required field for a particular attendee or have some data incorrectly formatted. Here on the right hand side you can see a few key rules around the upload. There is also a guide in the support section, which we strongly suggest reading before attempting a bulk upload.